Alright, so I didn't think I'd have anything new to take videos of, but yesterday I went and picked up a few things. So I'm going to show this one first. I know the grills are right here. So this is a Manning Bowman model 3016. McGraw Edison. Real quick, I went to get this and it was not advertised as being in the box. That was listed for 10. There was a few other fans that were listed by the same seller, so I just figured I'd go pick them all up, but these are not them. I went there, ended up being a fellow collector actually, and he had some other things that I'd rather have than what was listed, so I picked those up. I originally went there to get that, a older GE, this Lasco, and a 3rd gen K223, but found some other things. This one he gave me for free because he said he's not going to do anything with it. He just wanted to, didn't want it to get thrown out or go to someone who didn't know. This thing is heavy. I mean, way heavier than it looks. It's not in the best of shape. It definitely needs some work. It's got quite the wiring mess. Someone put a variable speed switch in it. It's not just, I'm assuming this would have just came factory with like a 3-position switch, 3-speed switch. Someone obviously repainted it, though I do kind of like the color it is, but I'm not sure what color it would have been if someone could let me know what it would have looked like. Maybe once I go to redo it, I can get as close to the original color as I can, but it does run. It moves a lot of air. It's got the original cord and plug. It is a little questionable though, if this will focus. But it does work. I did try it. So we'll plug it in and I don't know what's going on. I'm not sure if someone had the motor apart and put it back together wrong, but on full speed this thing rattles quite a bit, makes a lot of noise, and kind of moves itself around. So I'll show you that. Here's high. It's actually still on, but barely. I don't know if having a dimmer switch like that's good on one of these motors. It's probably not, but I mean, it slows right down. There's all the way low. We'll crank her back up. Something's wrong with the bearings, I feel like someone didn't put them back together the right way or something. See what happens if I crank it up to high with it leaning forward like this. Yeah, see, now it runs good. So I'm wondering if maybe there's supposed to be some kind of washer or something back there. So this one needs quite a bit of work. Gotta have that motor apart and take a look at it, see what's going on with the looseness in the shaft there. Solid fan. I mean, it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna need quite a bit of work, but once that work is put into it, I'm sure it will actually be a pretty Pretty decent and quiet fan. Moves quite a bit of air. It's very heavy. It's very unique. I like it. I'm not sure what that little mechanism is down there on the bottom of the motor. I wonder if that, oh, it could be an oil port actually. The motor might be upside down. Not really, yeah, that's what that is. It's an oil port, because it looks like there's one on the front there. I don't know if there's a, no, there's no tags anywhere. There's all kinds of indications, obviously, that it's been repainted. Like there's paint over electrical tape and bolts and everything back here, but yeah, we gotta figure that out. Not sure what year this one would be from. I would bet 60s. Actually, judging by the grills, I would say 50s. Probably mid to late 50s. So, kind of a unique little fan. Not bad for free. Definitely needs some work, and I will make another video once it's in a better state of condition. So, but we got some other things to take videos of, so I will be uploading those just after this one. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested, and thanks for watching.